All right, here we want to solve for the missing sides of this right triangle. And this happens to be a special right triangle. So we got a 30, 60, 90 right triangle here. So I know that my side ratios are 1 to root 3 to 2. So if I take whatever's opposite the 30-degree angle and multiply it by root 3, I get the side that's opposite the 60-degree angle. If I take whatever's opposite of the 30 and multiply it by 2, I get the hypotenuse. So let's go ahead and use those relationships. So I'm going to write in some info here. The side that's opposite the 30 is the thing that we always work off of. So if I take that side and I multiply it by 2, I get the side that is opposite the 90, or in other words, the hypotenuse. So 2 times y is equal to the hypotenuse. We know an expression for the hypotenuse, so plug it in. Go through and solve for y. We get y equals 8 root 5 over 2. Simplify, and we get y equals 4 root 5. So that's nice because we can now use that expression for y and solve for x. Y is the side that's opposite the 30, so when I take that side, or in other words 4 root 5, and multiply it by root 3, I get the side that's opposite the 60, which happens to be x in this case. So just using radical properties here, I can combine these into one bigger radical. So this becomes 4 times 5, 4 times radical 5 times 3. That's equal to x. 5 times 3 is 15, so 4 root 15 is my simplified expression for x, and we're done.